Tap into your innermost entrepreneurial passion and help develop your company's entrepreneurial culture to innovate efficiently. In Fundamentals of Product Lifecycle Management, we will explore the basics of the new product development and introduction process, centered around the principles of design thinking, voice of the customer, and one of my favorites, the 4 Ps of prototyping. But that's not all. With the help of Autodesk's Product Lifecycle Management solution, Fusion Manage, we will experience hands-on projects using this cloud-based technology. But wait, there's more. We will also use a reference product, the Ember 3D printer. Each of us will have access to and download a set of open source CAD design files where you could make your own Ember. So what else is there? Well, working as a team, you will face uncertainty and will need to problem solve as we journey down the path of creative exploration, just as collaborative teams do in real life situations. Stop the madness, but don't worry, through case study discussions, we will see how companies have dealt with their uncertainty and integrate technologies like artificial intelligence and see how others have responded to answering the questions, will it work and will it sell? Remember the prime directive of innovation. If it isn't commercialized, it's just an idea. So let's start collaborating with a focus knowing that when we make great product, the rest will come. My name is Robert Tom, and I look forward to facilitating your journey through this course. Get ready to apply your skills, roll up your sleeves, and let's engage.